Hey everyone, welcome to Powerviz. Today, I'm thrilled to explore the Powerviz KPI visual, a flagship tool that will transform your dashboards into professional, eye-catching masterpieces. We're going to recreate this stunning KPI visual, featuring total sales, year-over-year, month-over-month insights, targets, and monthly trends in just a few clicks. Ready to take your reports to the next level? Let's jump right in. Powerviz offers 100 plus professionally designed templates like this one, saving you hours of design work while delivering actionable insights that impress your stakeholders. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Here's the magic of Powerviz, our library of pre-built templates. Head over to the Powerviz website, where you'll find a collection of professionally crafted designs like the one we're using today, a KPI card with a monthly bar chart. Simply copy the JSON code for this template. It's that easy. Now, let's bring this template to life in Power BI. First, make sure you've added the Powerviz KPI visual to your report. You can grab it from Microsoft App Stores or our website Powerviz AI. Once it's added, click on the KPI visual, add the desired fields, head to the Import/Export section, paste the JSON code we copied, hit Next. Let's map our data to this gorgeous template. Powerviz makes this a breeze. And there it is, your professional KPI visual, ready to impress. With Powerviz, you get more than just templates. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand, ensuring your dashboards are as unique as your business. Whether you're presenting to clients or analyzing performance for your team, Powerviz helps you deliver insights with impact. This is the future of data visualization, and it's right at your fingertips. That's it for today's demo. Isn't the Powerviz KPI visual incredible? If you're ready to elevate your Power BI game, head over to the Powerviz website and start exploring the amazing features today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to supercharge your dashboards.